Welcome to Quick Bite, your fast and friendly Florida insurance.
Hello. This is Roshonda, agency owner of the Isom Insurance Group here in the sunshine state of Florida, back again with another Quick Bite episode, your fast and informative insurance industry update. Today is Thursday, November the 6th, 2025, and we're diving into a great article from Yahoo Personal Finance by Tiffani Sherman called How Your Vehicle's Make and Model Affect Car Insurance Costs. Spoiler alert, your car may be revealing more about you to your insurance company than you realize. And sometimes that's good and sometimes not so much. Before we get too deep, the article starts with some definitions that clear up a lot of confusion. So let's go over those definitions. Make equals the manufacturer, such as Ford, Nissan, Toyota. Model, the version, Mustang, Altima, Camry, or like examples of versions. Class, that's the type of vehicle, SUV, compact, truck. Trim is the configuration, such as LX, Sport, Limited, basically your bells and whistles. Model year, the year the car was built or sold as. You'll be surprised how many people call me and say, I have a 2024 Honda. And I'm like, okay, great. But which one of the 10 Honda models is it? That difference can literally change your premium by hundreds of dollars. The article quotes Mark Friedlander from the Insurance Information Institute, and he breaks it down perfectly. The purchase price of your vehicle is a major factor in the cost to insure it. That means if you're rolling off the lot in a $70,000 SUV, your comprehensive and collision coverage are going to cost more than someone driving a $12,000 compact car. Why? Because it is more expensive to repair or replace, it's more expensive to insure. And if you're in Florida and drive a Tesla Model Y, I love you, but you know exactly what I'm talking about. Those repairs can cost more than the average used car. Another big factor that the article covers is claims data by model. Every insurance company tracks how often a certain vehicle model is in an accident and how expensive it is to fix. So, if a certain car has a history of expensive repairs, like luxury cars or sports trims with specialized parts, your premium will reflect that risk. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety actually has a public database where you can look up those data for any make and model. So before you buy that new Jeep or BMW, it's worth a quick call to your agent for a quote. You might find that the dream car has a nightmare premium. And I do have customers that do that. If they're in the market for a new car, they'll just call us and say, I'm looking at this year, make, and model. Can you give me a rough estimate of what the insurance would cost? And we run that for customers all day. According to IIHS, size really does matter when it comes to insurance rates. Larger vehicles such as SUVs, trucks tend to cost more to repair if damaged and cause more damage in accidents, leading to higher liability payouts. On the flip side, drivers in bigger vehicles usually walk away with fewer injuries, so their medical claims are often lower. So insurers look at both sides, right? They might charge a bit more for liability, but a bit less for personal injury protection or medical payment coverage because of lower injury rates. It's a balancing act. In short, a Ford F-150 costs more to fix than a Toyota Corolla, but you're probably safer in the F-150 if you get hit. The article points out something a lot of drivers don't realize. Insurers profile vehicles by who typically drives them. Minivans are often associated with careful drivers that carry around kids, so they see fewer accidents and lower rates. Sports cars, on the other hand, let's be honest, they attract drivers who like to go fast and sometimes end up on TikTok for the wrong reasons. That's why a Dodge Charger might cost significantly more to insure than a Honda Odyssey, even if both cost the same new. So remember, insurers aren't just rating the car, they're rating the driver the car usually attracts. Let's talk about all the tech you get when you buy a new car. The lane assist, parking sensors, 360-degree cameras, auto braking, and so on. You'll think those features would make insurance cheaper because they can help prevent accidents, right? Well, not always. As Mark Friedlander explains, these systems are expensive to repair. A fender bender that used to cost $800 to fix can fix now can cost $3,000 if it damages a camera or sensor. And I did address this in some previous videos how although these features are really good, they are causing the cost repair for claims to increase, which is also being seen can be bleed over into rates. So while tech-loaded cars can keep you safer, they also raise the average claim cost, which means higher premiums. My rule of thumb for clients, if your car sounds like a spaceship when you start it, your insurance is probably priced like a spaceship too. The article then touches on the vehicles being stolen factor. This one's a big deal for Florida. Certain makes and models are like magnets for thieves. In recent years, some Kia and Hyundai models became top targets because they lacked electronic immobilizers. Before that, pickup trucks, especially Ford and Chevy models, topped the list nationwide. Meanwhile, minivans and station wagons are basically the introverts of the car world. No one tries to steal them. If your vehicle is high on the vehicle being stolen list, your comprehensive coverage will be higher, but collision and liability should stay the same. Just to touch on a little bit, that Kia and Hyundai, I believe it was like a TikTok phenomenon where they were showing how easy it was to steal those type of vehicles. So at one point in the market, a lot of insurance companies wouldn't even insure those type of vehicles. If we put that vehicle in the system to quote, it'll come back and say it's not eligible. So this is a big deal. The make and model are just part of the puzzle. Insurers still look at a dozen other rating factors, such as your driving record, your zip code, your credit score, your age and marital status, your vehicle usage, and annual mileage, as well as the deductibles and coverage limits you choose. So even if you and your neighbor drive the exact same Toyota Camry, you could be paying completely different rates because of those other variables. Here's my take of after years of seeing quotes every day. Your car is basically your insurance profile on wheels. Safe car plus safe driver, and depending on your zip code, equals lower rates. Luxury car plus risky driver, and again, depending on your zip code, equals pricey policy. If you're car shopping, always call your agent before you buy. Again, I've seen people upgrade from a Honda to a BMW and watch their insurance bill jump $150 a month. And on the flip side, I've had customers switch from a sport coupe to a hybrid SUV and save $700 a year. So just don't look at the MPG when you're shopping. Look at the DPI, dollars per insurance. Your car's make and model tells the insurance company a story, how safe you are, how expensive you are to repair, and how likely you are to file a claim. But the good news, you have choices. If your premiums feel high, ask your agent, that would be us, me, us, the team, to compare different car models before your next purchase. Sometimes a small change in vehicle type can make a big difference in what you pay each month. That's all, folks. If you found this quick bite helpful, please like this video, share with your friends, and drop a comment below with any insurance questions you'd like for me to cover in a future episode. Don't forget, a new quick bite episode drops Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern. And always, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as legal, tax, or specific insurance advice. Please consult a licensed insurance professional about your unique situation. This is Roshonda with the Isom Insurance Group here in sunny Florida. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Please stay safe out there. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at isomInsuranceGroup.com.